Alright, to my people, now welcome back onto this channel. Well, this one another one where they reach us still on the matter where we still they talk about everybody don't come outside, still they talk about this thing. Gani Adams Gani Adams Gani Adams. How many times did I call you? Make you try your best make you go apologize to Chief Sunday Igboho. Now waiting everybody they talk about be that we can't reason say why this kind thing go still they happen. No be small something yeah. So with the news where they reach us, so everybody they shout no be Sunday Igboho kpai Bola Ige. No be Sunday Igboho na him kpai Bola Ige. Gani Adams they use a hand, they find a gun, and then if care is not taken, he go use that in hand take carry gun. Now waiting then they talk say he go use a hand take carry gun. Chibuzo, waiting you talk. Say wetin be Gani. Chibuzo, you go for your gbenio. For your gbe means you go use your brain take carry am. You go for your gbe. Okay, as it come be so, they come dey talk am say make Gani Adams say dey careful make it dey very very careful that toku wey him dey talk about Chief Sunday Igboho Osha. The thing don dey turn to rogbodeyan. He done they turn to Rogbondeyan now. Gani Adams, he done they turn to Rogbondeyan. So the people come they say Gani Adams, Mashenwon. Onto this matter, if Gani Adams no quickly come outside, him go Shenwon. Now waiting the Yoruba people come they talk be that. Say Gani Adams need to come outside, make it quickly come apologize. He need to clear the air well. Whether he go talk say na mistake he no even know when he talk or no be waiting in mean be that, but make it come outside come clear the hair, because if he no quick come outside he go dey find rogbodeyan, and the Yoruba people no take am easy at all. They know they take am easy with am at all, because now people come dey talk say even this Gani Adams where he for come sef. Where he for come? Many people don't they talk this matter. Some people come they say, we know where he for come now. Not be this man where be say in Takpa man. People come they say, Takpa. Say Takpa man. Takpa na Yoruba. He say in a Takpa Pekino. In fact, in Nupe man, Nupe. So we can't go they ask question. Wetin be Nupe? Where them they? Who them be? And with wetin we know say Nupe be, they don't talk am before say the Nupe traditional called the Takpa by the neighboring Yoruba, meaning na even them be neighboring Yoruba, them be neighbor to Yoruba people. Okay, they get am. The Nupe traditionally called the Tapa, the neighboring Yoruba, say them be that ethnic group where they located primarily in the middle belt and the northern Nigeria, and then they are the dominant group in Niger State. You dey hear am? Say that Niger State they even dominate. Say their group then dominate, then plenty well then they full Niger State, and then an important minority in Kwara State and the present in Kogi State as well. Now this one the content define now. So you mean say this man a Nupe man? And them just be neighbor to Yoruba people, meaning he no be Yoruba man. But now he can be the Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò of Yoruba land. How come? So onto this matter, people come the reason I'm say abi na him make am. No come they support the Yoruba nation movement. We no understand. But meanwhile, for inside waiting, Gani Adams don't even talk. Where me I hear, we get the audio here. Where in talk, he say he support Yoruba nation. No, so no be saying no support. In they support, say but make people no follow Chief Sunday Igboho. Say because Chief Sunday Igboho na lie, he dey lie for people. Say in own advice, we say make they even follow another person where they talk about Yoruba nation, but not be somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho make in for follow. That is to say, make people no follow Chief Sunday Igboho. If na Chief Sunday Igboho dey talk about Yoruba nation, say na lie, him dey lie. Say because that man, according to wetin Gani Adams talk, wey we get the audio, wey we don record am, wey we don keep am well, say that man like money. Say Chief Sunday Igboho, he like money. Say if he use because of money, if he do anything. So according to wetin Gani Adams come dey talk, him come dey tell all the people, say make dem no follow Chief Sunday Igboho. Say because Chief Sunday Igboho na lie, e dey lie for the people. Though everybody don come outside come say, oga, why you go dey talk this kind thing? Na him make everybody come dey say, Gani Adams má ṣẹ̀wọ̀n. Imagine, because in the first place, you no be Yoruba person, so you na Takpa pikin. In fact, you na Nupe man. So now everybody don dey talk am. Now the cause come dey ask that question, wetin be that thing wey Chief Sunday Igboho even do this man wey dem dey call Gani Adams, wey make am dey para? Because we no understand. And then unto the matter wey come dey go on, the lawyer of Chief Sunday Igboho don come outside. Yes, the lawyer don come outside. He come dey let them dey understand, say like this Gani Adams must come outside, make him come apologize openly. And then the name of the lawyer na lawyer Igbese. Na the name of the lawyer be that. He don come outside. He come dey talk, say now Gani Adams go need to apologize, because Yoruba dey love themselves. They no wan make rògbòdìyàn come dey happen. We no wan make rògbòdìyàn dey happen for Yoruba land. Say make him come outside. No be wetin we dey even dey think be this. We dey think say the hardship, the sufferness don too much for this obodo Yoruba. Now wetin we dey think, how we go take solve am? Make we come back, come dey quarrel ourselves. No be wetin we dey think be that. E go better make him come outside, make him come apologize to Chief Sunday Igboho unto the thing wey he talk, because the thing no be small matter at all, no be small thing. Everybody don dey para. Yeah, na wetin everybody dey talk be that. Say make him come inside ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, make he come talk all these things. That is, make he come inside social media, make he talk everything wey he don do mistake about talk about Chief Sunday Igboho. Make everybody for hear am, make everything die like that, or else e no go easy. The people don dey talk am, e no go easy. Kò ní rọgbọ fún Gani Adams if he no come outside. Now everybody don dey shout am. We no go gree. This man must come outside, come talk this thing well, make everybody for hear am. Make Gani Adams come outside, make him come tuba. According to wetin the Yoruba people come dey talk now, they say he must come outside, make he come tuba for the Yoruba people, make he tuba for all of them. Say abeg o, make una no vex for this thing wey I talk, make peace for reign. Na so we come dey hear am. And this thing now wey come outside inside the VN wey Gani Adams do, no be small matter. When we hear am, we shock, say no be this man voice, no be say dem doctor this man voice, na him really voice, na him talk this kind thing. The thing shock everybody. And the one thing be say, now everybody don say this one wey you don spoil the name of Chief Sunday Igboho. The thing no make sense at all. You spoil that name, say him involved for the kpaing, say him follow kpai Chief Bola Ige. Which kind thing be this? And you know who Chief Bola Ige be? Nobody dey joke with that man before dem kpai that man. Now when you come think say all the Yoruba people don dey love Chief Sunday Igboho, na you come outside you say no, I must scatter am, I must talk this one, I must talk this kind thing, so that wetin go happen, the people don come outside because that name, you must not scatter that name. Chief Sunday Igboho no be only that name, no be only for Chief Sunday Igboho family again. So in fact, the way the Yoruba people come dey talk now be say, you see that Chief Sunday Igboho name, that Chief Sunday Igboho himself, no be only him family people get am. Say now he don turn Yoruba people property. He don turn the pikin of Oduduwa. In fact, as far as Yoruba nation concerned, that name no be ordinary name. Make anybody no come from nowhere say he wan come spoil that name. We no go gree. We no go gree. Na wetin the people dey talk be that. Say dem no go gree o. Dem no dey gree. Which kind thing be that? And the Yoruba people dem talk am say orúkọ rere ó sàn ju wúrà àti fàdákà lọ. Orúkọ rere ó sàn ju wúrà àti fàdákà lọ. We no go fit gree make you come spoil that name. Meaning good name is better than silver and gold. Iwatago Chibuzo Iwatago. Na him dem dey talk o, say orúkọ rere ó sàn ju wúrà àti fàdákà lọ. Now that name must be highly protected according to wetin the Yoruba people dey talk. Say Iba Gani Adams o, you must come outside. We no go gree. We no go gree. Na wetin the Yoruba people dey talk. Say he no use him hand draw Gani. And then if he no dey careful, him eye go see Gani. My brother, my sister, no be small something o. Na the matter wey dey for ground na him I carry come give una so. Unto this one, wetin the people come dey talk now be say make Iba Gani Adams come beg for forgiveness from Chief Sunday Igboho and all the Yoruba people. Bíbẹ̀kọ́, ó máa rúgi oyin. Bíbẹ̀kọ́, ó máa rúgi oyin. Na Chibuzo, wetin you talk? Say wetin be ó máa rúgi oyin? Na him na. Ó máa rúgi oyin na him be. If you no know, make you go ask your neighbor. Na so e be o, my people, unto this one. Ó máa rúgi oyin. Alright o, na so e be unto this one, my people. Make una try, make una subscribe for this channel if na your first time be this. Bye for now.